Hey guys, welcome to our Explorer Mind. My name is 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐧𝐞𝐥 and in this video I got the multiple MNC company hiring update. So whether you are a fresh or recent graduate and looking for a job, then this video is for you because in this video I will cover 4 hiring update. So do check out this video till the end. But before that, do like this video and subscribe this channel so you do not miss any kind of hiring update. Now let's discuss in detail about the first hiring update, which is coming from CGI company. So CGI company currently hiring for Python developer, and this hiring is only for fresher candidate. Talking about the qualification, so for this role, if you have done BCA or BSc or related 3-year degree program, then only you are eligible for this hiring. You can apply, and plus company have marks criteria also, so you must have at least 60% marks in your academic, and only 2 passing batch eligible. First one is 23, second is 24. So if you are already passed out in these 2 batch, then only you can apply for this hiring. Just click on I am interested option and complete the application. And if you get shortlisted, then you will receive exam mail. And if you clear the exam, then you have to face 2 technical round, 1 HR round. Then only you will get a job in CGI company for this particular role. So this is the first hiring update. Now talking about the second hiring update, which is coming from Tech Mahindra company. So Tech Mahindra company currently hiring for L1 network engineer role. And this hiring is only for Noida location. So if you can relocate to the Noida location, then only you can apply for this hiring, because company has already mentioned the office location. Talking about the qualification, so for this role, if you have done graduation with CS background, then only you are eligible for this hiring. And whether you are a fresher or you have experience up to 1 year, then also you can apply for this hiring. And company have 2 different salary. So if you are a fresher, then you will receive up to 3.75 LP salary, and if you are an experienced candidate, then you will receive up to 4.70 LP salary. So if you are interested for this role, just share your resume over this given email ID. I will attach this post link in video description. If you are interested, do check out this hiring. Talking about the next hiring update, which is coming from Cognizant company. So Cognizant company currently hiring for analyst role for all 3-year degree. And for this role, if you are 23 pass out, 24 pass out and 25 pass out, then all 3 passing batch eligible for this role. And there is a 2 different link. First link is for 25 batch and second link is for 23 and 24. So if you have done any 3-year degree, for example BSc, BCA from CSIT branch, mathematics, physics, chemistry, statistics, electronics, then you are eligible for this hiring. You can apply. And companies hiring for multiple locations, for example Chennai hai, Bengaluru, Coimbatore, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Pune, Mumbai, Kochi. You can select any one of the location. So do check out both these links. And the last date for the application is 31st of July. You still have 15 days left for this application. Now talking about the last hiring update, which is coming from RideCell company. So company is conducting a exam, and the exam date is 23rd of July, which is an in-person exam. Talking about the qualifications, so for this role, if you done BTech from CSIT branch, then only you are eligible for this hiring. And one note point, company hiring for Pune location. So if you get selected, then you have to take exam in person at Pune location. So if you are interested, just fill this Google form. You have to enter your email, application name, applicant name, phone number, graduation year, and all our basic detail. And that's all for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if you found this video helpful, then please do like this video. Thank you and goodbye.